So in the article of Chong Seo and Guy Bambyong, 9.7% perform excellent in the ICT literacy, 22.1% perform average, 60.4% perform basic, and 7.8% perform poor. And in article of DS and John J. 2024, 19.8% perform excellent, 40.5% perform average, 36.5% perform basic, and 8.2% perform poor. And in the article of Mark H. Kim and Mark H. 2021, 22.2% perform excellent, 31% perform average, 40% perform basic, and 6.8% perform poor. And in the article of Wang I 2020, 6.3% perform excellent, 31.4% perform average, and 57.8% perform basic, and 4.5% perform poor. Then in our appendix, we have solved the total number of students who perform the level of performance. So it said that in my previous presentation, I have said that in the article of Chung Seo and Kai Bokyo is 9.7% perform excellent, so it has 3 students. It represents the 3 students, and we recalculated it by this. This is our step that on how we calculated it. Total percentage is 100, then the 9.7% is the performance percentage. Then the answer is the remaining percentage. So next is the total population is 30. Then the remaining percentage we subtracted in, and the answer is 2.9% or 3 students. That's and we did it so on and so forth. So with the 7 students is perform average, and 18 perform basic, and 2 perform poor is equals to the total population. Total number of respondents is 30. Then Lee and John J 2024, 104 perform excellent, then 213 perform average, and 191 perform basic, and 17 students perform poor. Overall, the 525 number of respondents. Then in Park H team and Park HW 2021, 28 perform excellent, 40 perform average, 51 perform basics, and 9 perform poor. So overall number of respondents is 128. Then in Wang I 2020, 11 students perform excellent, 15 7 perform average, 105 perform basic, and 8 students perform poor. Overall number of respondents is 181. And that's for conclusion and recommendation.
Now we're here for our conclusion and recommendation for our meta-analysis in ICT base of South Korea. Here's our conclusion. The meta-analysis shows that while South Korea has made significant strides in integrating ICT into education through initiatives like smart education, disparities in ICT literacy perform persistent, a substantial proportion of students are still at the basic proficiency level, with only a minority achieving excellent performance. This indicates that while ICT-based education has potential, there are challenges in ensuring that all students have equal opportunities to develop their digital skills. Further target interventions, especially aimed at those in the low-performing categories, are necessary to close the gap and ensure more equitable access to ICT resources and effective participating in digital learning activities, participating outside of classroom hours, and utilizing e-textbooks and other online resources to improve proficiency. And for the future researchers should explore how socioeconomic status affect ICT literacy and access to resources. This could inform policy change that ensure equitable distribution of digital tools and opportunities across various demographics. And for the reference and MOBs, here are reference, and this is our MOBs.
And that concludes our presentation.